Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to transfer USDT from KuCoin to Binance. So if you also want to transfer USDT from KuCoin to Binance, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open KuCoin application. You can see over here, I've already opened KuCoin application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Also, make sure your account has been verified. If your account has not been verified, you'll not be able to transfer USDT from KuCoin to Binance. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. At home interface, you'll be able to see several options. In order to transfer the USDT from KuCoin to Binance, all you have to do is tap on the assets option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the assets interface. Over here, you'll be able to see your total assets. If you have any USDT available in your asset, you'll be able to see the option for USDT over here. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, you'll be led to another interface. Over there, you'll be able to see the available USDT. Also, you'll be able to see several other informations. At bottom, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for transfer, deposit, withdraw, and lend. If you want to transfer the USDT from KuCoin to Binance, all you have to do is tap on the withdraw option. After that, you'll be led to another interface. In that interface, what you have to do is enter the wallet address, withdrawal amount. Also, you'll have to enter the remark if you have any. For the address, what you have to do is go to the Binance application. Simply open Binance application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Binance application has been opened. Make sure your identity verification is completed. So if you want to transfer USDT from KuCoin to Binance, you'll need the wallet address of Binance. For that, what you have to do is tap on the Binance icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for Web3 wallet, deposit, convert, referral, etc. In order to get the deposit address, all you have to do is tap on the deposit option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, what you have to do is choose the currency. Find the option for USDT. Once you find the option for USDT, simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll have to choose the network. Keep in mind that only supported networks on Binance platforms are shown. If you deposit via another network, your assets may be lost. Also keep in mind that the network of the receiving address and sending address should be same. So tap on the network of your choice. Here I'm just going to choose TRC20. You can do the same if you want. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Since my account is not verified, I'm not being able to see the deposit address. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Since my account is not verified, I'm not being able to see the deposit address over here. But if your account is verified, you'll be able to see the deposit address. All you have to do is copy it. After that, simply go back to KuCoin application. Now what you have to do is select the network. Select the same network that we selected earlier. Now enter the wallet address. Simply paste the address that we copied earlier. Now also enter the withdrawal amount. Enter the remarks if you want. After that, at bottom, you'll be able to find the option for confirm. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, you'll be led to another interface. Review the informations. After that, simply confirm the transaction. Now you'll have to go through the security verification. After that, your withdrawal will be successful and the USDT will be transferred from KuCoin to Binance. So that is how you transfer USDT from KuCoin to Binance. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.